This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Welcome, home. Located in the community neighborhood of Simonsdale. Featuring a spacious great room with an open floor plan, recessed lighting, updated fixtures, new paint and flooring. Modern kitchen with pantry storage, all appliances, and a bar area for extra seating. The primary bedroom has a cathedral ceiling, walk-in closets, and an ensuite with dual vanities. All bedrooms are spacious, with fresh paint and natural lighting. Entertain yourself, your family, or your friends in the backyard oasis with wood privacy fencing. Did I mention that there are no HOA or association dues and located minutes from shopping, interstates, and more? This one won't last long. Make it yours today. August 23, 2024 for more